guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, if you clicked on my video, chances are you are actively doing research on the all-new Builderall 4.0 Funnel Club, and you are looking to find out if the Funnel Club is the right decision for you. Now, we just launched the Funnel Club on October 1st, and we are still in the month of October. So if you wait to the very end of the video, I am going to share with you how you can take advantage of a very limited time offer that will be valid in the month of October only. So if you want to know what that is, you want to know how to save some, then make sure to stay to the very end of the video when I reveal all the details to you. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I am going to share with you 5 things you need to know about the Builderall Funnel Club before you take out your credit card and buy. So if you're considering signing up for the Builderall Funnel Club, you stumbled into Builderall, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm getting so much value and this Funnel Club just takes the cake, and you are doing research to see if it is the right thing for you. Well, I'm going to share 5 things that you have got to know before you sign up for the Builderall Funnel Club. So if you want to know what those 5 things are, and you want to know what that limited time offer is at the end of the video, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, I'm super excited that you're here. I am definitely a Funnel Club member, and I've been with Builderall since March of 2018. So I am proud to be one of Builderall's top affiliates, but I'm also a product of the product. I use this product. I've sold my own digital products with Builderall. I've created funnels, membership sites, everything. So I practice what I preach. And when I tell you that the Funnel Club is an incredible value for the money, it really truly is. So what I'm going to do is we're going to dive right into the 5 things that you've got to know before you pull out your credit card and buy that Funnel Club, before you sign up. And if you want to see other videos that I've done about the Funnel Club, even though they're a little bit older because they were before the launch, but you want to go ahead and just catch up to speed, I will link those videos right for you in the description box right below. So let's dive in to point number 1. So what is the Builderall Funnel Club? It is an exclusive standalone product inside of the Builderall suite of tools, all right, that allows you to download, access, and leverage expertly designed funnel templates. Now, I've shown you some of these templates already on my channel, which is why I'll link them again right down below this video, but you'll also get access to chatbot flows, and the most incredible thing of everything is that we have done for you blueprints already made, ready to go, where all you have to do is click on the funnel blueprint that you want. Our Builderall Cheetah Funnel Builder automatically converts your funnel blueprint into a website. No other software out there does that. It's super groundbreaking, and that alone is worth the price of admission. Now, speaking of the price of admission, the Builderall Funnel Club is a one-time $199 payment. One time, that's it. That makes you a Funnel Club member. That gets you into the club. And then every month after that, it's $99.90. Now, let me put this in perspective. When you purchase the Builderall Funnel Club, you're not just getting the Funnel Club, you are also getting access to everything that's available inside of Builderall, which I will speak about in just a minute. But just consider that some of our competitors who just sell a funnel start at $97 a month, and you don't get any of the other upgrades, bells, whistles, tools, or any of the other stuff that you are going to get just in the Builderall Funnel Club. Never mind the whole entire Builderall all-in-one solution. So for $99.90 a month, you are going to get access to the Funnel Club and all the tools inside of Builderall, which is honestly an incredible value that you are not going to find anywhere else. Point number 2, when you purchase the Builderall Funnel Club for $199, that actually includes your first month of the tools that you're going to be using inside of the Builderall Funnel Club. So what I mean by that is we have a premium plan inside of Builderall, and that premium plan offers you access to our site builder, our tools, our unlimited email autoresponder, 10 gigabytes of space, professional emails, plus all the other tools that we have available for you inside of the Builderall all-in-one digital marketing platform. But when you pay that one-time $199, you're not going to pay $199 plus $99.90 to access the tools and all that stuff. No, that $199 on that first month also includes access to everything inside of Builderall. So you're not just going to be confined to the Builderall Funnel Club. That is just going to open your access to everything that Builderall has to offer. So you will have a full access pass to not only the Funnel Club, but all of Builderall's tools for just $199. One-time payment, and then on the following month when it's time to rebill, all you'll pay is $99.90 a month. And let me remind you, you can build websites with Builderall, funnels with Builderall, stores with Builderall. You can leverage our super checkout, sell your own digital products with our e-learning. The list goes on and on. So you can pay $97 for just a funnel builder, or you can pay $99.90 a month for the Funnel Club and everything else that Builderall has to offer. And you're also going to get ongoing templates and chatbot flows. As time goes on, we have designers that are going to be adding more and more templates and goodies into the Funnel Club for you to leverage. So the value is just going to keep on increasing as time goes on. The third thing that you need to know about the Builderall Funnel Club is that you don't have to buy the Builderall Funnel Club. You can literally start at the $69.90 premium plan. But what's going to probably happen is if you're anything like me and you do want to build funnels, and maybe you are in a type of business like affiliate marketing or network marketing, you want to leverage maybe our all new mirror funnels, and you want to access the ready-made for you designs, and you are a leader on your team and you want to build funnels that you can share with your team easily, you're going to want to tap into that Builderall Funnel Club. And you may have signed up on a premium plan first. Well, you can go ahead, and even if you signed up for premium, you can easily upgrade to the Funnel Club, and instead of paying the one-time $199, all you have to do is pay the difference to upgrade. So that's a really great value. So you're not going to miss out on the Funnel Club per se, because you can always upgrade once you are a Builderall member. But I'm always going to encourage you to jump in feet first so that you have access to everything from day one. But at least you know you have the option to sign up for premium first and then upgrade to Funnel Club later. So that is an incredible value right there. So don't ever feel that the Funnel Club is like this one-time offer that you're never going to be able to access again. If you want to sign up for premium now and upgrade to Funnel Club later, all you have to do is pay the difference. So the fourth thing you need to know about the Builderall Funnel Club is that automatically makes you an affiliate. See, when you sign up for the premium plan at $69.90, yes, you get access to all of our tools, and that is amazing, but you're not going to get access to the Funnel Club. And not only that, you are a user, okay? So when you're a user and you want to also become an affiliate to promote the product, you have to go through an application process if you are on the premium plan. So think about the Funnel Club as a business in a box. Since the Funnel Club is a standalone product, in order to keep everything legit and cross our T's and dot our I's, and you want to be able to increase your cash flow and commissions, you can promote the Funnel Club as an automatic affiliate because it is a standalone product. What happens is that when you sign up for the premium plan, you just can't start promoting the premium plan as an affiliate, because technically, because we are a two-tier affiliate business model, you want to make sure that most of your user base are actually users, and that you are not just trying to recruit people who are never going to use the product, if that makes sense, right? We want to make sure that everything is clear, and so you are a user if you are at the premium level, and then you'll need to fill out a quick application, just like you would have to fill out an application. I had to fill out many applications to become affiliates for different tools and companies, so that's totally normal. So it's just a formality to make sure that we clearly define who is a user and who is an affiliate, which obviously we want to make sure that we do, because we always want to make sure that our company is doing the right thing, right? So, but when you are a Funnel Club member, that is a product. So we are actually selling a product. So that's another advantage of going in for the Funnel Club, because when you sign up for the Funnel Club, you are automatically an affiliate, which positions you to earn 100% commissions on those Funnel Club sales. And so, to be honest with you, Most people that start using Builderall, they absolutely love Builderall and they cannot help but share it with others. So why not become an automatic affiliate when you sign up for the Builderall Funnel Club and position yourself to be able to turn around and start sharing this amazing value in the Funnel Club with other people that need this product. And you can earn 100% commissions, which equals to about $179 after fees. So when you position yourself as a Builderall affiliate and you focus on selling the Funnel Club, you know, now you can really make some really great commissions, because with the Funnel Club, you earn 100% commissions on a $200 sale. So if you sell 5 of those a week, that's $1,000, and you'll also get that recurring billing the next month. So that is super duper powerful, my friends, and the value is definitely there. This is not just a rinky-dinky product. And if you know anyone who owns an agency, you know anyone who's in network marketing, you know anyone who needs funnels to brand, grow, and scale their business, for $199, the Funnel Club is where it's at. Those are some really nice commissions, guys. So really think about that. I would definitely sign up for that Funnel Club so you can position yourself to earn those $200 commissions every time someone signs up. And number 5, which I already kind of touched on it in point number 4, is as an affiliate for Builderall, you earn 100% commissions every time you sell the Funnel Club to someone else. So again, it's $200 for the Funnel Club. It equals out to around $179.10 depending on where you're at, because you know things can be a little bit different, but more or less $179 per sale after fees. And so, like I said, if you do that a couple of times a week, 3, 4, 5 times a week, I mean, you can make thousands of dollars a week, plus have that passive residual income coming in every single month after people signed up for the Funnel Club. And that's really where the power of Builderall is, because we have cash products now. We have a way to make money now, and we have that passive residual recurring income later. All right, guys and gals, where I'm super excited if you got to the end of the video, because here is where I am going to show you how you're going to get basically the deal of a lifetime. So, well, I just finished telling you that the Builderall Funnel Club is $199 one time to activate the Funnel Club and get access to all of the templates and all the good stuff that is back there inside the Funnel Club. And then it's $99.90 every month thereafter, because the developers and the designers are going to continue to add new templates, new designs, and new chatbot flows in the Funnel Club as time goes on. And that's why it's $99.90. But for the month of October only, to celebrate the Builderall 4.0 launch, my CEO decided to do something absolutely crazy, and that is this. For the month of October, we are extending the offer to get into the Builderall Funnel Club for only $69.90. All right, so that means that your $199 sign-up fee is waived. And if you lock in that price in October, in the month of October, that's it, by October 31st, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to lock in the monthly rate at $69.90 instead of $99.90. So if you sign up on November 1st, you're going to pay $199 and you're going to pay $99.90 per month every month thereafter. But if you sign up in the month of October to celebrate the launch of Builderall 4.0 and the brand new Funnel Club, you can save a lot of money by jumping in at $69.90 plus lock in your monthly rate for as long as you pay your bill on that plan. So that is a deal that I was just like, are you joking? I would totally be willing to pay the $199. It's totally worth it. The value is there. And even at $99.90 per month, the value is definitely there. But for a very short window of time, if you sign up right now, you can get everything inside of the Funnel Club, plus all of Builderall's tools, everything, okay? For $69.90. Guys and gals, that is what I call a no-brainer deal. So if you've been on the fence, jump off that fence, grab your credit card, go to my link right below this video. And normally I'm not that bold, but this is a deal of a lifetime. You are saving so much money. And think about it, if it's $69.90 that you're locking in your price at, and it's normally $99.90, you're saving $30 a month for the rest of your membership. That's crazy, okay? So I'm urging you to go right now, stop what you're doing, go and sign up for the limited time funnel club plan at $69.90 while you can get it, because it is not going to be here forever, but it will be here between now, which is October 6th, all the way to October 31st, 2020 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On November 1st, the price goes up to the $199 one-time payment and then $99.90 a month thereafter. So if you want to take advantage, do it now. All right, guys and gals. Well, I hope you're just as excited as I am. I am super excited about the funnel club. I'm super excited about where Builderall is going. And ever since I signed up on March 2nd of 2018, I never ever imagined that it would be such an incredible ride with this company. I love this company. I love the products. I love the tools. I love our community. I love what we do and how we help people. And it's just an honor to be one of their top affiliates. And I've been recently honored with the title of Black Belt Affiliate, which I'm super excited to share with you. I'm just waiting for it to officially come in the mail. I'll show you a little sneak peek right here, but I'm really excited, and I'm not guaranteeing that you can do the exact same thing, but you have all the tools, you have all the systems, and with our Team Rise support, our training, our bonuses, our support group, you're at least going to be, set up for the best chance for success. And then of course the rest is up to you, but you have everything that you need to succeed when you partner with us inside of Builderall. So I'm hoping that you see the value in doing that. All right. So anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I'm pretty easy to get a hold of. You can message me on my Facebook page. You can message me through my website. And if you sign up for Builderall, you can always also send me a message through the back office as your sponsor. So I could send a carrier pigeon. I'll answer you, okay? So if you have any questions, just let me know and I will do my best to help, all right? So hopefully this video helped you and hopefully you're just as excited as I am. If you are, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching. Get signed up at the $69.90. Oh my gosh. And I will see you on another video. Bye.